My name is Emily and welcome to Kids African Drum course. Today I'm going to teach you class 2 of binary calling and respond. The first beat for the caller is 4 basses and the first beat for the responder is tone bass, tone bass. For example, 5, 6, 7, go! Now I'm going to play the calling while you respond. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go! Now we are going to play it like this. I'll be calling you twice while you respond, then you exchange. You call me twice while I respond. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, go! This is the end of binary calling and respond exercises. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification so that next time you will see our new videos. And please remember to share with your friends and families too. See you next time. Goodbye.